Welcome to Baby Fun TV.
Hi friends, today we will learn colorful counting 1 to 10. Get ready to count how many objects you see. Then raise your hand. When you know the answer, we will go over the answer together. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, got it. The answer is 6 apples. What is the next? How many flowers? Count 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. You get the answer. Good job. How many ducks? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ducks. How many trees? 1, 2. 2 trees. What is the next? How many boards? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boards. What is the next? You get the answer. Guess it. How many footballs are there? Yes, 6 balls. How many hearts? It's your test. Tell me how many hearts. Count and then tell me. Yes, its answer is 9 hearts. How many carrots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carrots are there. How many stars? Look at the screen. Yes, only 1 star is there. How many fish? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 fish are there. How many elephants? It's your test. Tell me, count and tell me how many elephants. The correct answer is 9 elephants. There. How many roller skates? Count and then tell me. The correct answer is 8. Good job, kids. I hope you like this video.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.